The focus of the Advent season is on how we can prepare our hearts and homes for the arrival of Christ. As we prepare ourselves for the joy, peace, hope, and love that the season brings, holding close to those we love the most and sharing our favorite foods are two ways we do this. As we consider our preferred foods for the season, our Jamaican fruitcake paired with a glass of sorrel comes to mind. Chef Dennis Osborne is in the kitchen to walk us through creating this popular Christmas dessert.
Let's go. All right, so we're making an half-pound butter fruitcake today. So we're starting by creaming our butter and our sugar together. So we add half pound of butter in our mixing bowl and half pounds of sugar. We mix or cream our butter and sugar at a medium until it's creamy and fluffy. So we are combining dry ingredients first. So here we have a cup of flour, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, combine this together. Have half cups of breadcrumbs here. And the breadcrumbs is optional. So we set this aside. We move into our fruits or dry fruits. So we have here some mixed peel. We have some raisins. So it's half cup of raisin, half cup currants, half cup prune, and half cup cherry as well, and quarter cup mixed peels. So we'll go ahead and put in some nutmeg also in. About a tablespoon of nutmeg because it's flavoring for us here in Jamaica. So this will combine all our dry ingredients, so when we're mixing we don't have any separation. By adding our dry fruits in our blender to get it puree, and we're adding 2 cups of wine for moisture, so it makes the cake all juicy and ready. Here we go, our fruits all puree and ready to add to our batter in just a few. So we move over to our eggs. Here we'll be using 7 eggs for our batter here. The first one is fine to crack in the bowl that you're going to whisk in, but for the others, preferable do them separate because of spoilage. Alright, so we go by whisking our eggs. This helps to combine the yolk and also the egg white together. Here is our butter and sugar. It's cream and come to a nice peak. So this is what you need when you're baking your cake, light and fluffy. So we combine this butter, creaming portion, to create our traditional fruit cake. Adding a teaspoon of almond and a teaspoon of vanilla, and of course we'll be having just another pinch of salt, and our Jamaican rum we'll be adding about 2 shots. So we're gonna go ahead and put our cake batter inside the oven for 350 degrees for 2 hours, all right? ginger to put on the glass just for decoration. So here we go, we have our Jamaican fruit cake. Also on the side, we're going to serve some carrot cake. If you guys, for those who in the family doesn't enjoy the fruit cake, so we can have some carrot cake with some walnuts.